go then. Who's going to take home the trophy in Honda Cadets for round 4 of the 2019 WMKC? Away we go. It looked like a good start there from Morgan Hill, I think it was there, who's got himself, I think, up into 3rd place already as they go through Oblivion in the Cup for the first time. Spencer Brown has been able to hold on to his 1st place though, but he's got Joshua Patch right with him, and he doesn't want to join the racing line too much there because Patch will get through. You've got Harley Mason in the 6th battling his way through as well there. It's been a good start as well from Bobby Rosier, got himself into 3rd place. So it's Brown, Patch, Rosier, and then I think it is Morgan Hill who's got himself up into 4th place. Come onto the back straight for the first time in this Honda Cadet final. Spencer Brown. Spencer Brown leading, Joshua Patch in 2nd, Bobby Rosier in 3rd, Morgan Hill did indeed get a good start into 4th place, 5th was Sakai, James Bell in 6th, Jack Stewart, Jack OWEN-DRAWBRIDGE, Devon NOLAN, MPR MCDUFF round out the top 10. Here is that battle over the lead of the race now. Joshua Patch right on the tail of Spencer Brown, and they're taking Bobby Rosier with them out of Ashby. Morgan Hill there in the 22, just a little bit of breathing space either side. Both in front and behind, he'll try and get onto terms with this top 3 if at all possible. Ryutaro Sakai has just got past James Bell on that last lap, so he'll be trying to catch as well. Top 3. As well, 12 minutes on the clock for this one rather than 10. So starting now, they have about the length of a heat race to go. Nolan has got past Jack OWEN-DRAWBRIDGE. It'll be interesting to see how Devon Nolan does this. He's had a drama, of course, in the heat earlier on. That could be the result that pace alone would have expected to get. So will he be able to work his way up through the top 10 in this one? How far can he go? Last lap, got himself into the top 10, getting past again Alexandru MARGINEAN. Spencer Brown leads Joshua Patch onto the back straight. They are so close at the moment. The question will be, will Patch attempt an overtake? And if so, will he wait a while and work together? As we saw in the previous race. The Honda Cadets guys working together. Just sets the fastest lap of the race, 53.83. That's 3/100ths of a second faster than Spencer Brown. And of course, with both them on, if they start battling now, they would lose time. Bobby Rosier would like that very much because he then have the opportunity to challenge for the lead himself. I do feel like Rosier has just not quite got the result, like the results that his pace seems to have warranted so far. Definitely going to play a battle, ruled him out by any stretch of the imagination. And, meanwhile, further back, James Bell here has got onto the back of Morgan Hill and he's taken Ryutaro Sakai with him. Round on to lap number 5. And up the inside tries James Bell and he's got the job done on Morgan Hill into Oblivion. So change there for 4th place. Here he is now ahead, going up the hill towards Christmas Corner. Devon Nolan got past Jack Stewart on that last lap for 7th place, so Nolan continues his progress up through the field. So close between Brown and Patch at the front. 1/100th of a second separated their lap time in the previous lap. So from the moment of these, keeping their powder dry. This is Ryutaro and Sakai. Challenging sorry, Morgan Hill to James Bell past to 4th place. Fastest lap of the race from Devon Nolan continues working up through the field to try and get onto the back of these guys. There were the leaders, you saw them just then. See how they were. being 1/100th apart on their lap times last time around wasn't enough, so last lap time round they set identical lap times, 53.70 for both first and second place. There is nothing to choose between them pace-wise at the head of this field. This is going to be fantastic towards the end of the race, if and when they start battling away. Promise they're not going together. Are just really that close on the track. Fantastic stuff. Now though, 6 minutes to go. Are still going to work together, one would presume, in order to open up as good a gap as possible over Bobby ROSIER in third place in that 49 car. James Bell has just set the fastest lap of the race, 53.51, trying to turn ROSIER in third. Devon Nolan. He is slowly but surely reeling in Sakai, so he's trying to join that battle over Jack Stewart, Kacee LYNCH, just an amazing run again. Just high placed on the novice rules. Harley MASON and Jack OWEN-DRAWBRIDGE. Top 11, got 130. See there, the gap coming down. There's Bobby ROSIER and James Bell, but here, up the inside, is Devon Nolan going past Morgan Hill. So we've got past Sakai and the past Hill now has Devon Nolan. Really interesting to see Devon working his way up through the field, and will now try to catch up with the James Bell Morgan Hill battle, excuse me, the Bobby ROSIER James Bell battle. It's all going on up ahead. So here are your top two, Brown and Patch. Then behind them you'll see ROSIER and Bell getting ever closer together in the battle for third. That was Jack Stewart running a rather lonely race, it has to be said. 4 seconds behind the Hill Sakai battle we were talking about. Further back here, here's some battling between MARGINEAN and Craigie. 16 just getting past the 64 then, now challenging Zain KHAN in that 47 car. This is all over 13th place. And it would be very early to at the moment. Oh, who's that on? That's got to be from fairly high up. It is high up. It's the 22 Morgan Hill. Morgan Hill out from 6th place. Well, he was in close proximity to Ryutaro Sakai, and he went a long way off to drivers right there. So I wonder what happened there. So Morgan Hill's going to drop down. Ryutaro Sakai is going to move up to 6th place. Jack Stewart will have gone up to 7th place. He'll still be 3 seconds behind and 3 seconds ahead of anybody else. He is really having one of the quietest runs of the day. It's a good one from Jack Stewart. Either way, he's on the course with some decent points at the moment. Here are our top two. You look at the long shots of them coming up the straight. 1/100th again separated their times last time around, but 50-yard matching each other so well for pace. And it's interesting actually because they're not doing exactly the same lines through corners. Brown took a slightly different line through certainly the boot last time to Joshua Patch. So fascinating to see this. And now he goes for it. Joshua Patch has gone for it. Brilliantly judged stuff there from Joshua Patch. That's how you execute some good sprint racing strategy, but Brown isn't going to take that one without a fight. He comes back at him. Beautiful stuff into the final corner, and BROUGHAM gets back the lead, and they go either side of the back marker of Lucy Wilden. So the gloves are off now. Joshua Patch has shown his hand, and now BROUGHAM is wise to it. BROUGHAM is going to be thinking more cautiously now, with 1 minute and 3/4 plus a lap to go on this clock, and that is the 30 kart of Joseph McMahon, who's taken an excursion from the track and has now rejoined. And here we go, the top two then. It's almost like nothing happened. They're all back to how they were. Will Patch trying to think into here? No, not this time round. Brilliant tactical thinking for these two young racers. It's not just about how you pounce, it's about when you pounce as well. James Bell nearly has a second now over Bobby ROSIER, so he's now more secure in third place. He's set the fastest lap of the race, 3.34. He is more than a second back from our top two. And there we go, Josh Patch at the inside of Christmas corner. He's gone for it again. Josh Patch gets to the head of the field. Does Spencer BROUGHAM have a response? There's a little bit of nudging on the rear bumper then. This is the proper battle for the lead of this one now. And look out for this loses them time. It does lose time. Look, James Bell is right on the scene now. This is a 3-car battle for the lead of this one. James Bell has been setting blistering pace, and that combined with the battling between BROUGHAM and Patch means that this is now a 3-car battle for the lead. But can a battle over second place mean that the win gets gifted to Joshua Patch? There's going to be 2 more laps after this one. It's Joshua Patch, Spencer BROUGHAM, James Bell. Bobby ROSIER is not a million miles away, you know, and neither's Devon Nolan if this really starts getting frenetic. As they go up, Joshua Patch is going to have to go defensive. 3 wide effectively up to Christmas corner, and Patch has got to be careful about jinking back to the outside on there, because he'll leave the door open for a last-minute dive if he's not too careful. As they come through down into Ashby, to the inside goes BROUGHAM, and he's going to get the job done, and so too is James Bell. He's going to be side by side with Joshua Patch at least as they head towards Wilkins, but Patch will have the inside line. But will Bell have anything down into Ozier's? And look, now the 49 of Bobby ROSIER's is with them as well. It's a 4-car battle for the lead of this one, and we've got just over a lap to go now. It's BROUGHAM back to the head of this field, but nobody can know who's going to win this one now. And it's almost a 5-car battle. Devon Nolan's with them all as well. On to the final lap of running today in the Honda Cadets, and out of nowhere it almost feels like we have a 5-car battle for the trophy in this one. Through Oblivion and the Crook they go. The King of Fine Lady up the hill. How defensive dare you go? BROUGHAM goes right to driver's right. And then you're going to get the 21 of James Bell in third there, taking the conventional line. He's going to have overspeed coming through Inkland and heading into Ashby. Surely he's going to try and move on Josh Patch. Look at Devon Nolan. Look at Bobby ROSIER up the inside of the 21 of James Bell there for third place. James Bell goes out onto the grass. There's a little bit of dust, and Devon Nolan's got through now into 4th place. Now it's BROUGHAM, Patch, ROSIER, Nolan and Bell in that order as they come onto the back straight. Can BROUGHAM hold off Patch? He's going to have to go super defensive into the boot, but go too defensive in the early phase. You leave yourself exposed in the latter phase of the boot. Can Patch do anything? BROUGHAM is going to hold on to it, surely. He is coming round Paddock Corner, and BROUGHAM takes the win. Does he? He just about by 1/100th of a second. Spencer BROUGHAM takes the win from Joshua Patch after a race-long battle in the Honda Cadets final. What a way to finish the racing for today in Honda Cadets. Spencer BROUGHAM takes the win by 1/100th of a second.